Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to move files securely from your PC into external flash drive without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about how you can use your Windows PC. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so this is the flash drive I want to use as an example right here. So your flash drive can be in any format, but this one right here is just like this. Then when you have your flash drive, what you need to do is to open the flash drive. Then you have something like this. So what you need to do is to make sure you insert this mount into your PC port. So I'm going to do it straight up. So I will simply come here and insert it right here, just like so. Then having inserted it on your PC, then allow it to load up just like what you see right here. So it has fully loaded up on my PC. But in some cases, if you insert your USB flash drive and it's not pop up just like what you see on my screen, what you need to do is to make sure you go to this PC on your computer. When you go to this PC, then it will tell you the number of drive you have on your PC. So this is to tell you that the new drive you insert is the next to the original PC drive. So right here we have the drive right here. So I'm going to simply click on it and then click on enter. So when you click on enter, it opens up the file folder. So I'm going to simply select on the file folder and open it. So we have everything in the flash drive right here. Now, how do you copy or move file from your PC into external USB flash drive? So what you need to do after you have opened up the file location, so minimize it, then you have to head over to the file that you want to copy from your PC into the hard drive. So for that, I'm going to simply head over to one of my folders right here. So for instance, I want to move this particular zip file and I want to move it into my external hard drive. And for that, what you want to do, make sure you select the file. You can move as many as possible files from your computer into external drive. If you want to move multiple files, just press Ctrl key down and begin to select as many as possible number of files you want to move to your external flash drive. Having selected all the number of files that you want to move, next thing you need to do is to simply right click. Then when you right click, head over to copy. Click on copy right here, just like so. Then the next thing you need to do is to bring out the flash drive folder. So we have it right here. Next thing we want to do is to right click on the environment. So there are so many ways to move the file. You can create a new folder for separate identity on this particular flash drive. For you to do that, when you right click, simply go to new, then make sure you click on folder. So you have the folder from the bottom side right here. You can rename it and call it whatever you want, files, fonts, enter. Now once we rename the file, then we know that this particular file here contains files and fonts. Then we can open the file. So once we open it, we right click and again, and then we make sure you click on paste. So all the file we copy so far from our computer is going to be pasted right here. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to simply copy or move file without any stress from your computer to external hard drive. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about PC. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.